So in this video, we're gonna be talking about eyelashes. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you recognize this makeup, it's because you've already seen my review on the new NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. But if you don't recognize this makeup and you're interested, I'll link the video down below. Check it out. Let me know what you think. But in this video, we're gonna be talking about lashes. If you've seen my Get Ready With Me video, I applied some false lashes in that video. And ever since that video, a lot of ladies have actually expressed to me that they don't know how to put on false lashes. So I thought that was interesting. I decided I'm gonna make a video about it and show you how I do it, and hopefully there's some tips you can take away and try it for yourself. It's actually not as hard as people think. So let's get into the video. So some of the misconceptions I've heard about lashes are they're hard to apply, they're uncomfortable to wear, they're too dramatic for every day, they might just fall off while you're out, they're stiff. But that's really not true because there are so many varieties of lashes, so many types of lashes you can pick from. They're individual lashes. You can cut your lashes in half, only do a half application, maybe on the ends if you want to wing, for a more winged out look. They have long lashes, they have dramatic lashes, they have everyday lashes. Some lashes are so everyday that when you put them on, you can't even tell you have lashes on. They have human hair lashes, they have synthetic lashes, mink lashes, animal hair lashes. So I mean, like, there's something for everybody. If you're a vegan, if you want to have animal friendly lashes, you might want to go the synthetic route. So there's really something for everybody. I mean, so there's really no reason that you wouldn't find a lash that's comfortable for you to wear. Like, literally the possibilities are endless. There's something for everybody. The lashes I prefer to wear are the Ardell Demi Wispies when I'm going for a more natural kind of look. If I want to be more dramatic, I'll go for the Wispies, which I feel are really like curly and like they're wispies, like just as the name suggests. But there are a lot of lash brands too. I mean, like if you go to Sephora, if you just Google lashes, you'll find hundreds of lashes. But I feel like if you want to start somewhere, start with maybe the Ardell Demi Wispies. You can get them at the drugstore. Like I said, they're super easy to use. They also have a clear band. So the band on the lash is something you need to consider when picking out a lash. The clear band, they're more flexible. It's actually see-through. So here's the lash right here. These are used, but I'm gonna use them again. You can wear your lashes over and over as many times as you want. Obviously, if they start looking a little crusty, get a new pair. This band is clear. This is a really flexible lash. I find that when the band is black or a dark band, it's thicker and they're not as flexible. For me, that goes into comfort. I am more comfortable with a band that is clear, it's more flexible, and I don't have to worry about it. And again, the thing with what lashes are, if you wear them again, they've been like molded to your eye. So the second time you wear them, they'll be more comfortable. And they look, to me, to be more natural because when you put them on, it's clear. So the lashes just blend in with your own lashes. You can get the ones with the black band, and then if you're somebody who likes to wear eyeliner, if you get the ones with the black band, then you might not have to wear eyeliner. It might be a step you can skip. So really it comes down to personal preference, but you're not gonna know your preference until you try them, because this is something that you just have to do a few times to know what you like and what you don't like. And even if you're somebody who wears lashes every day, there's so many different types of lashes to try. So you really do have to just try them. So now that you have your lashes picked out, you need to pick out a glue. A popular glue brand is Duo Lash Glue. I think it's like medical grade adhesive or something like that. When I first started wearing lashes, that was the glue that I went with, and I would still buy that glue today. I actually just ran out of a tube, so I wanted to try something else. And the tube that I got now is the Ardell Lash Grip. Because I like Ardell lashes, I decided to go with the Ardell brand just to give it a try. Revlon makes lash glue, and I like that lash glue. There are lots of lash glues, but I am selective about lash glue because you want to use glue that's made for lashes. I mean, I've heard of girls using hair glue just because it's because it's eyelash hairs and you think you can use hair glue, but don't do that. Stick to a glue that is made for eyelashes because you just want to do that. I'm gonna also link the Duo Glue and the Ardell Glue down below so you can try those for yourself as well. So far, I've been using this Ardell Glue and I like it. It was $1 cheaper than the Duo Lash Glue, but I feel like they both work the same, so I'd recommend them both. If they were out of the Ardell, I would have gotten the Duo again. Glues come also in clear versus dark. I use clear lash glue because I feel like it's foolproof, especially if you're a beginner or if you never wore lash glues. By no means am I advanced at lash application or a pro, but I do find that clear lash glue makes it more foolproof. I mean, it takes the guesswork out of it, in my opinion. It does come out white, but it dries clear. So I feel like that makes everything a lot easier as well. So if you want to just wear lashes without wearing any other makeup, this is the clear lash glue is best for you. But they do make a dark lash glue, and a lot of ladies like dark lash glue because again, it might take the step of wearing eyeliner out. So if you have a dark lash band, a dark lash glue, you might not need to wear eyeliner at all. Or it can enhance your eyeliner. Maybe you don't have to wear as much eyeliner. Or maybe you don't have to worry about putting eyeliner on, putting your lashes on, and then going over it again with eyeliner because you would have taken care of that stuff with the dark lash band or the dark lash glue. And you can mix, you could use a clear lash band, dark lash glue. There's really no rules to it. You have to try to see what works for you. And maybe sometime in the future, I'll create a video showing you the differences between dark lash glue, clear lash glue, dark lash band versus a clear lash band, so you guys can see the differences for yourself if you don't want to try it. So you got your lashes picked out, you got your lash glue picked out. Now, how are you going to apply the lashes? People use tweezers to put the lashes on, and I've used tweezers in the past, but I don't recommend it, especially if you're just learning, because first of all, your view is obstructed when you're putting the lash on. You need to look down into a mirror, and if you're using a tweezer, you cannot see what you're doing because you're blocking your own view. And you can poke your eye out. I mean, that's sharp. I'd recommend using a lash applicator tool. I mean, it makes everything way easier. So it looks like a tweezer, but it's curved. So when you're applying your lashes, your hand is out of the way, not blocking your view. So you can see what you're doing. And also it's flat because it holds the lash. And you can, at the end of you applying your lash, you can just lightly press them together just to secure them. I got this one from Amazon. Click the link, check it out. You're gonna like this one. Definitely use it when putting on your lashes. Okay, so first things first, you take your lash. So like I said, these were worn before, but now they're nice and comfortable for me. My lash glue. Now I don't put the lash glue straight onto the lash because you run into the danger of squeezing too much product out. What I use is the back of my makeup brush. I put a little bit of lash glue here. That way I can control how much and how evenly I spread it across the strip of the lash. You start from one corner and just drag it to the other corner. And it's still a pretty good amount on the bottom, on the back of the lash, on the back of the makeup brush. So sometimes I feel like I need to put a little bit extra on the ends. Make sure they stay down. And the more you wear lashes, you'll know how much glue you need to put on. All right, so you want to make sure that you let the lash glue dry a little bit. You want it to get tacky so that you could place it where you want it to go and then adjust it. So if it's a little bit tacky, it'll just stick. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply the lash. And that was it, you guys. It was as simple as that. Just to recap what I did, you apply the glue, let it get tacky, plop it into the center first, and then tack down the ends. After you give it a second, let the lash dry. It's gonna dry clear if you chose to use the clear lash glue. And then I put a little bit of mascara on just my eyelashes. I don't put it on the false lashes, just my eyelashes for blending. And then I went over, for another blending step, I went over my lash line with this Kat Von D tattoo liner. First of all, I like this eyeliner because the felt tip is super thin. So it makes the application really easy. You can really get in there. I just do a really thin line from the inner corner all the way to the outer corner over the lash band just to blend everything a little bit further, especially if you're doing a little bit of a glamour look. It's just to make the lashes look even thicker than they already are. So I really hope that these tips helped you. I'd really like to know if they helped you. Try to put the lashes on when you don't have anywhere to go. Wear them to the supermarket just so you can get used to them. Try it. It comes with practice. You're not going to get it the first try. Well, maybe you will, but if you don't, try it again. I promise once you try lashes, especially strip lashes, they're so easy to do once you get to doing them that you're gonna want to wear them every time you go out or when you want that little bit of extra glam. So like I said, try it when you go to the supermarket. When you don't have anywhere to go, don't rush when you do it. When you rush, that's when you're gonna make mistakes, and then you're gonna be like, forget it, this is not gonna work for me, but it will. Trust me, you're gonna love it. If you try it, or when you do try it, leave a comment below. I'd really like to know what worked for you. Did my tips help you? Did you try it a different way and that worked better for you? I just want to, I want to know what worked. So leave a comment down below. I'm gonna link this felt liner down in the description box. I'm gonna link all the products, the lash glue, the lash toy applicator, the lashes, everything will be in the description box. Leave any questions in the comments and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. One more thing, guys. I'm working on building my Instagram following, so I'd really appreciate if you could follow me. Leave a comment on one of my pictures. Let me know that you came from YouTube and you stopped by my Instagram page. So I'll link my Instagram down below. Don't forget to follow. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment. Let's talk about it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.